While Windows 10 should run fairly smoothly by now, if you run into minor glitches or performance issues, you may want to try updating your hardware drivers. Here's what you need to know. When it comes to hardware drivers on Windows 10, you can generally get reliable updates from two sources: Windows itself or your hardware manufacturer. Critical driver updates available to Windows are usually bundled in with Windows 10 updates. Tap on your Windows key, type in Updates, then tap Enter to bring up your update settings. Click on Check for Updates, and install any updates it finds to ensure you're on the latest version of Windows with the latest drivers. You may also occasionally see optional driver updates listed here. Feel free to install these as well. To update specific drivers through Windows, you'll need to use Device Manager. Tap on your Windows key, type in Device Manager, and tap Enter. Once the app loads in, you'll see a list of all the hardware currently detected by your computer. To update a specific driver for a certain device, expand the relevant category listed. Then, right-click on the device and select Update Drivers. From here, you can prompt each window to search your computer automatically and install the best available driver, or manually locate and install a driver. Windows aside, your hardware manufacturer may have available drivers through its own website or update utility. If you own a laptop or pre-built PC, you may have a utility built in, like Lenovo Vantage, that can scan for and download and install manufacturer-specific drivers. Barring that, if you're looking for a specific driver, like a driver for your integrated graphics card, you can check the manufacturer's website for a driver or update software you can manually download and install. Before installing drivers in this way, you may want to back up your system and make sure that you've downloaded the right driver meant specifically for the hardware you want to update. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Windows 10 and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.